Hi, in this video I will show you how to check read and write speed of SSD in command prompt. Checking speed of SSD will help you assess the performance of your solid state drive and ensure it's running optimally. So let's start the video. To open command prompt, click on start menu icon or type CMD in search bar and then right click on command prompt and click on run as administrator. Now type winsat space disk space dash drive space C. C is the drive letter of SSD. Make sure to replace drive letter with the actual drive letter assigned to your SSD, such as C, D or any other letter. Now press enter. The command will perform read and write operations on your SSD to measure its speed. Wait for the test to complete. So here is the sequential read and write speed of this SSD. As the SSD on this computer is NVMe, so sequential read speed is 2500 MB per second and sequential write speed is around 1900 MB per second. So that's how you can check the speed of SSD using command prompt. I hope you find this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.